Om Shanti, Morning Murli, 18th January. Om Shanti, Bap Dada. Bap Dada's invaluable, elevated versions to be read in class on 18th January, the day of remembrance of Pitashri. Essence, sweet children, wake up early in the morning and remember Baba with a lot of love. Sweet children, wake up early in the morning and remember Baba with a lot of love. If you remember Baba, Baba will love you and you will be pulled. Song, having found you, I have found the whole world. Om Shanti. Bap Dada repeatedly explains to you, sweetest children. Children, consider yourselves to be souls. Consider yourself to be souls. This body is not mine. It is to be destroyed. We have to go to the Father. By maintaining this intoxication of knowledge, you will have a lot of magnetism. You know, you have to shed those old bodies. We must not stay here. So finish any attachment to those bodies. We are in these bodies just to do service. We don't have attachment to them. We simply have to go home. We simply have to go home. This time of confluence age is very essential for making effort. It is only now that we understand we have been around the cycle of 84 births. The Father says, you may do your business, etc. while living at home with your families. Remember with your intellects that all of this is to be finished. We now have to return home. The Father always resides in the home. You may do business for 8 hours and rest for 8 hours. For the rest of time, have this conversation, this heart-to-heart conversation with the unlimited Father. The Father's Shrimat is, sweet children, constantly stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance. The more you stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance, the more the elements will become your servants. Sannyasis never ask for anything. They are yogis and they have the faith that they have to merge into the Brahm element. They remain very firm. Simply, I am now going. I will leave this body and go. They make a lot of effort. On the path of devotion, many devotees commit suicide in order to meet their deities. You cannot say suicide of the soul because that can never happen. But there is suicide of the body. You children stay in yoga and so it is as though you are immortal. You will never have the thought of doing something wrong. But that stage has to be strong. First of all, you have to check inside yourself. Do I have any defects? If you don't have any defects, you will be able to do service well. Father shows son, son shows father. The Father has made you worthy, and you children then have to give the Father's introduction to new ones. The Father has made you children so clever. Baba knows there are many very good children who do service and then come here. Day and night there is the thought, How can I make this one's life worthwhile? By doing this, I will also progress in my life. There is happiness, and everyone has the enthusiasm to uplift all the people in their villages and to serve their equal and to serve their equals. The father also says, charity begins at home. The father sits here and gives you children teaching. Children, first of all, you have to uplift yourself. The father knows that the spiritual culp tree is the same as it was in the previous cycle. This is a tree and it has all the sections. As you progress further, you will have visions of everything, of how everyone lives. There is definitely the genealogical tree. The intellect says that souls come from here number wise. The intellect says that souls come from there number wise. You children should churn the ocean of knowledge of how to do service, how to do this, and there must also be remembrance of the Father. Only by having remembrance will you progress. Baba would say, according to the drama plan, whatever has passed is fine. Beloved children, as you progress, you will have the strength of the power of yoga. Then, even if you explain a little to someone, they will quickly understand. This is also known as the arrow of knowledge. When someone is struck by an arrow, he is wounded. First, he is wounded and then he belongs to Baba. So, sit in solitude and find a variety of ways. It is not that you go to sleep at night and wake up in the morning. No, you have to wake up in the morning and remember Baba with the lots of love. At night too, go to sleep in remembrance. If you don't remember Baba, how would the Father love you? There would not be a pull. Although Baba knows that all types of children in the drama are to be number wise, nevertheless, he is not just going to sit down quietly. He is not just going to sit down quietly. He would inspire you to make effort. Would he not? You children must not just give up, saying that it is in the drama. Otherwise, you will repent a lot at the end. I did this for nothing. I was influenced by Maya. The father would feel mercy. What will his condition be if he does not reform himself? What will his condition be if he does not reform himself? He will weep and wail and experience punishment. And this is why the father repeatedly gives you the advice, children, you have to become perfect. You have to become perfect. You have to check yourself repeatedly. Each of you children has to ask yourself, I have received everything from the Father. I have received everything from the Father, so what do I lack? You have to go deep inside yourself and look within. Just as Narad was asked, do you consider yourself to be worthy of marrying Lakshmi? The father also asks, have you become worthy of marrying Lakshmi? What defects still remain in you, for which you have to make effort to remove them? It is also explained to new children, tell Baba whether you have any defects in you because you have to become perfect now. The Father only comes to make you perfect. The Father only comes to make you perfect. So each of you ask yourself, have I become perfect like Lakshmi and Narayan? If you have defects, you have to tell the Father that you have those defects which you are unable to remove. Therefore, let Him tell you what you have to do. An illness can only be removed by a surgeon. So look inside yourself with truth and honesty. What defects do I have in me? If you tell Baba about your defects, Baba will give you some advice. Many have defects. Some have anger, some have greed, some have wasteful thoughts. So they are unable to imbibe knowledge. The Father explains every day, even though it is not necessary to explain so much. These things have to be imbibed. These things have to be imbibed. The matter of conquering the five vices applies to this time. You don't have those evil spirits in you, but those five vices have entered you for birth after birth and made you unhappy. Baba explains to you every day about the evil spirit of lust. The eyes deceive you a great deal, and so you have to have a very good practice of looking at souls. I am a soul, and that one is a soul. You souls are brothers, are you not? You souls are brothers, are you not? You must not look at this body. All of us souls are going to back home. The Father has come to take us back home, but you have to see whether you have become full of all virtues. What virtue do I lack? What virtue do I lack? When a soul is seen, he can be told, this soul has this defect. So then, sit and give a current to that soul so that his illness is finished. You children should talk about sweet things with Baba. Baba, you are like this. Baba, you are so sweet. So by having remembrance of the Father, by your praising the Father, these evil spirits will run away and you will be happy. And you will be happy. You know that this tree grows very slowly. Maya surrounds you on all sides. Maya then casts such a shadow over you that you become completely lost. You let go of the Father's hand. Each of you children has a connection with the Father. All the children are instruments number wise. All the children are instruments number wise. Acha. To all the very sweet and deeply loving, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the depth of the heart with love from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says Namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Now 18 January 22, Avyakt Bap Dada. Revised course 22nd November 1972. The final form of the final service. Next Murli. The final form of the final service. Do you continue to have visions of your final form? Do you continue to have visions of your final form? The closer you come, the more you will experience. It is as though it is almost in front of you. You will feel as though you are to become that just now. Just as someone who is old feels that he is now old and will soon become a child again. So do you not only have an awareness of your final form, but also a clear vision of what you are present and what you are to become? In the beginning, you used to say that when you reach your destination, it will just be a question of taking one more step. That you have already placed one foot and that you now have to place the other foot. That is all the difference there is. So do you experience your final stage to be just as close? So do you experience your final stage to be just as close? Do you see it clearly? Just as you can see your form very clearly in a mirror, in the same way, let your final form be just as clearly visible in the mirror of knowledge. When a beautiful costume is in front of you and you are aware that that is what you will wear, because you can see the costume in front of you as the time for wearing that costume comes close and your attention is drawn to it. In the same way, can you see your final form in front of you and is your attention drawn to it? Call it the form of light or a costume, but you will only be able to see light. What is the form of angels? That of light. Those who see them will experience angels to be those who are wearing costumes of light. Their crowns are light, their costumes are light, and their decoration is light. Wherever you look, you will only see light. When you look on their heads, you will only see crowns of light. From their eyes, you will see rays of light emerging. So, can you see such a form in front of you? So, can you see such a form in front of you? How will you part of the form of might, the form of power, be revealed? With the form of light, anyone who comes in front of you should become bodiless in a second. That will only happen with the form of light. If you become a lighthouse whilst walking and moving along, your body will not be visible to anyone. If you wish to pass the paper at the time of destruction, then in order to face all situations, you have to become a lighthouse. You have to become a lighthouse. Experience this form of yours whilst walking and moving along. You now have to practice this. You now have to practice this. Completely forget your body. Even when you have to do any work, if you have to walk or talk with someone, then to adopt an angelic form of light to do that. When you have to play a part, you put on a costume, and when your part is finished, you take it off. You put it on in a second. You put it on in a second and become detached from it in the next. When this practice becomes firm, the suffering of karma will finish. Just as pain is removed by having an injection. Hatha yogis make you practice trying to become detached from your body. So too, as soon as you have the injection of being an embodiment of remembrance, the awareness of the body will disappear. The awareness of the body will disappear. You will experience yourself to be a form of light, and others will also experience this form of yours. This is the final service to be done. This is the final service to be done. Through this, all your business and activity will be light. That is, there will be lightness. There is a saying, even a mountain becomes like a mustard seed. So too, when you stabilize in the form of light, all your business will become light. You will not even need to use your intellects very much. You don't have to use your intellect for anything that is light. By having this form of light, you develop the qualification of being a master, Jani Jananhar. By having this form of light, you develop the qualifications of being a master, Jani Jananhar, means one who knows the secrets of each one, and a master, Trikaldarshi. You will then not even have to think about whether you should do something or not. Your intellect will only have the accurate thoughts that you have to carry out. There will not be any feeling of consequence of karma whilst in that stage. There will not be any feeling of consequence of karma whilst in that stage. Whilst you are under the influence of an injection, even though you speak and move about, you are not aware of it. You don't even have the awareness that you are doing anything. Everything just continues to happen automatically. Similarly, the result of karma and the performing of actions will continue. But you will not have any awareness of this. It will not attract you to itself. Such a stage is called the final stage. You have to practice having this stage. How close is this stage? Have you come in front of this stage? The stage where you become the form of light when you want and come into your body when you want and do whatever you have to do. Until you come to the point where you maintain this stage all the time, you should at least have this stage for some time every now and then. Only then will you be able to have this stage all the time. You used to experience the Sakar form being in the angelic form. You used to experience the Sakar form being in the angelic form. Even whilst he was living on this earth, you used to experience him to be an angel. So you have to develop such a stage. In the beginning, many used to have a vision of this. They used to see nothing but light. They would also have a vision of their crown of light many times. Whatever sample you saw in the beginning will be the practical form at the end. Whatever sample you saw in the beginning will be the practical form at the end. You will see the result of success through thoughts. Just as you give directions with word, in the same way you will be able to carry out your entire business with thoughts. Scientists are able to receive directions from earth whilst up above. So are you not able to carry out your activities with elevated thoughts? After all, it is silence that science has copied. So they are clearly in front of you already so that you can become an example. You did this a cycle ago. You did this a cycle ago, so there is then no need to say anything. So there is no need to say anything. Just as you clarify something with words, in the same way, let all your activities be carried out with thoughts. The more you experience this and come close to one another, the more your thoughts will also be similar. The more your thoughts will also be similar because of becoming forms of light. When your wasteful thoughts and wasting of time have finished, You will only have those thoughts which are to take a practical form. You will just have that thought, and the person who has to carry it out in practice will also have the thought that has to do it. This is newness. This is newness, is it not? When others see activity being carried out in this way, they will understand that your activity is not being carried out by you are telling anyone anything, but through signals. You will look at someone, and from your eyes that person will understand. You will look at someone, and from your eyes that person will understand. The subtle region has to be created here. Acha, today's blessing. Feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you be loving to Father Brahma and be enfolded by his arms and do service as his arms. May you be loving to Father Brahma and be enfolded by his arms and do service as his arms. The children who are loving to Father remain constantly enfolded by Father Brahma's arm. Father Brahma's arm are a means of safety for you children. Those who are lovely and loving are always in arms, embraced. So in doing service, you are Bap Dada's arm and you stay in the Father's arm. Experience both of these scenes. Sometimes be enfolded by the arms and sometimes serves as his arms. Have the intoxication that you are God's right hands. Have the intoxication that you are God's right hands. Slogan: the specialty of contentment and happiness gives you the experience of the flying stage. The specialty of contentment and happiness gives you the experience of the flying stage. Now experience the stage of being merged in love. The Father has so much to give you children that he sustains you children from Amrit Vela. The Father has so much to give you children that he sustains you children from Amrit Vela. The beginning of the day is so elevated. God himself calls you to celebrate a meeting with him. God himself calls you to celebrate a meeting with him. He has a heart-to-heart conversation with you and fills you with power. The songs of the Father's love awaken you in the morning. He calls you and awakens you with so much love. Sweet children, lovely children, come. Sweet children, lovely children, come. Experience the practical form of the sustenances of this love in the form of an easy yogi life. Experience the practical form of the sustenances of this love in the form of an easy yogi life. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba.